I am bigbrother9. Welcome to my channel. Hi, I am bigbrother9. I come from China. China's metaphysics, possibilities, and success. Hey, my channel personally shares Chinese metaphysical knowledge. Watching my video is very useful for your wealth, health, career, and luck. In this video, I share 5 things that will make you healthy and lucky. Wow. 1. Write the Chinese character well twice inside the mask. Enhance the protective ability of the mask. Chinese character well. Follow me. Mask. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chinese character well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Remember it? Chinese character well. Follow me. This is a mask. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Twice. Okay? 2. When going to bed at night, the room must be kept completely dark, especially without blue light, green light, and yellow lights, because this will affect your sleep quality. 3. Working after a meal is the best exercise. To walk relaxed and happy, don't count how many steps you take. 4. Vegetarians and unhappy people should add more vitamin B. People who like to eat oysters, shrimp, and scallops are usually happy. 5. What's Russian President Vladimir Putin most afraid of? He is most afraid of Britain's Big Band and Vienna's Symphony, because these two things belong to 5 elements of gold. Putin is most afraid of gold. Why does Putin wear a watch on his right hand? Because the right hand represents output and rejection, and the watch represents gold. Wear a watch on the right hand means don't want gold. Fans, that is, if you want to deal with Russia, invite a symphony orchestra to play a symphony, or fix Big Band as soon as possible and let Big Band run normally. What do you think on my suggestion? The above is for entertainment only. Welcome to leave a comment. I am the bigbrother9 from China. My family is a family of metaphysics, which has a history of 500 years, and inherits the family metaphysics culture. I share Asian and precious Chinese wisdom, which has been verified by facts and is very effective. I am sharing authoritative, oriental, and practical knowledge on my channel. Please like my video so that more people can see this video. And you have a chance to see this video on mine. It's really so lucky. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my videos. Share this video to your family and friends. Good luck to them too. Chinese metaphysics help you good luck and success. Like, subscribe, and say few words. Boundless beneficence. Bye bye. See you later.